Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Natural Vitality Calm, the Anti-Stress Drink Mix, Magnesium Supplement Powder, Raspberry Lemon, 16 ounce. She has a lot of anxiety stress going on in her life, and cannot seem to calm down. Next she wants to try the Calm Sleep so she can rest peacefully at night. This product helps to deal with stresses in life, and keeps our body calm, helps with sleep, and keeps you regular. Mixes up quickly, and can be consumed at room temperature, but is a bit chalky this way. Tastes great over ice as a cold tea, and is also very pleasant as a hot tea. It helps with keeping your bowels regular, and it seems like it gives me energy, and keeps me calm. The taste is good, and easily absorbs into your body since it is a drinking powder. Had prescribed magnesium for that, and this is a great way for me to take it. It tastes great, and mixes so well you only taste the flavor, nothing gritty. Love it. The strip that you pull to open the top was not broken, and the top came open easy, and there was no seal under the screw top. It is a great way to keep everything moving, and get magnesium, which helps leg cramps. She says her sleep is much better, and she wakes up feeling more refreshed than she has in a long time. It helps me to detoxify, and negate some of the particularly harsher side effects that some stimulants are known for. Works very well for me in small doses, but if taken regularly it makes me sick. This item is a pleasant tasting solution which can provide almost immediate relief from leg or foot cramping. Another advantage of this particular deal is that this size is about half the price of what the health food stores charge. This stuff works. Helps gets your system going. Only thing that has worked for me without making me feel sick. As the info on the bottle says, you'll find the right dosage when your bowels are slightly loose. The taste of the powder solution is a little rough, and super sour, but it's easier to take as a quick shot. He eats tons of bananas, has tried a potassium supplement, and he drinks tons of water. It absorbs super fast in water, and is very refreshing, and it's a good deal for the amount of servings there are. The product tastes okay, and it seems to help me sleep when taken at bedtime. As a person that has struggled with insomnia, anxiety, and every other magnesium deficiency symptom possible, this stuff works. You do have to take this on a consistent basis for it to be effective. This flavor is the best of the bunch, and this product is really great. It helps me with stress, and knocking out a number 2. I've added too much, and watched it fizz out all over the floor, and counters. This is, by far, the best tasting magnesium drink out there. It is also highly effective. Put it in hot water, and let it cool enough so you can chug it. You also get a little less mag per serving with the flavored. Suppose the flavoring takes up that space. You'll need magnesium for proper absorption of D3 along with K2 and MK7 form along with vitamin A. Didn't help with sleep or mood, but gave me terrible diarrhea, which is extremely rare for me. Love this. If you have tried other powdered magnesium products, don't let them scare you off. Melatonin and essential oils weren't helping me fall asleep, or were making me have weird dreams, and feel groggy in the morning. This flavor is a bit sour, and bites, but the immediate calming is worth it. She drinks a glass when she feels an episode coming on, or even if she is in the middle of one, and in about 5 minutes all of the symptoms are gone. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.